And my name is Kang. I work at the University of Leven. And as a postdoc, I'm working in this Urbanmycoserve project. And within this project, my task is to monitor tree health through the use of optical measurements, namely using high spectral reflectance measurements and the fluorescence of the leaves. So through these measurements, we can estimate the healthy status of the leaves and the trees. So we can estimate using the reflectance and the fluorescence, the leaf biochemical components, and the photosynthetic capacity of the trees. And other project partners, they can link the tree health to the soil functions, mycorrhiza in the soil, and at the end, they might be able to design new mycorrhiza to improve the health of trees.